Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about VODev and Cursor, and I will help you to decide which software development tool is better in 2025. So let's begin with VODev, a new AI UI builder created by Vercel. It allows new developers to create responsive front-end components and interfaces using natural language prompts and Tailwind-based output. Cursor, on the other hand, is a full-blown AI-powered IDE based on VS Code. It's designed to boost productivity using a ChatGPT-style AI that assists with refactoring, debugging, and even writing full functions or classes. So let's break them down. Number 1, purpose and workflow. VODev focuses on design to code, generate components visually with AI, and export ready-to-use UIs, while Cursor is for full-stack devs who want help with their actual coding tasks inside their IDE. Number 2, integration. VO integrates well with Vercel and modern front-end workflows like Next.js, while Cursor integrates with GitHub, VS Code extensions, and LLMs like GPT, Claude, or even local models. Number 3, output quality. VO is ideal for UI and prototyping. The output code is clean and Tailwind optimized, and Cursor offers contextual code suggestions and real-time debugging assistance. Number 4, AI capabilities. Cursor's AI is more advanced, which is capable of maintaining context, researching code bases, and performing refactors, while VO's AI is focused on design generation but not on complex logic. So, in summary, you can choose VO Dev if your main focus is rapid UI prototyping and design to code workflows. And you can go with Cursor if you are a developer who wants AI assistance embedded directly on your daily workflow. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.